Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a payment method from your Google Play Store account on Android. First, open the Google Play Store app, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner here. Next, tap on Payment and Subscriptions. From here, tap on Payment Methods. Then, scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings here. This will open a browser window with your Google Payment Center like this. Once the payment center loads, you will see a list of safe cards and payment methods. Find the one you want to remove. Next to the card, tap Remove, then confirm by tapping Remove again in the pop-up. Once removed, that payment method will no longer be used for purchases on Google Play Store. Make sure you have another method added if you plan to keep buying apps or subscriptions. And that's it. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our next tutorials linked below.